What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I was doing a lot of freaking thinking about like my channel and how I've changed and how my videos have kind of changed, and honestly I've gotten too focused on being professional and just doing tutorials and just being not me is the best way to explain it. So we're gonna go back to kind of like the whole where I was just, you guys heard whatever I was saying, the goofiness, everything along those lines. Because like when I go back and I look at my dip videos and like the old original videos of me working on cars, it was like I was a completely different freaking person. So with that being said, some of the time lapses I might actually show you guys what I'm saying or what I'm bitching about in the middle of it. With an awesome freaking response from you guys, we ended up getting 25 plus likes on the video of the Camaro, the last video of the Camaro. So that means we have to freaking straight pipe this car. Now, for some of you guys that are diehard Camaro lovers and are gonna be like, why would you freaking straight pipe this car? That is absolutely stupid. The exhaust has to come off anyway. It's not staying like this. I'm doing it because, one, I want to see how the 305 sounds. Two, if you're coming here to be negative and bash me about the Camaro because I'm straight piping it, you obviously searched a straight piped Camaro or a straight pipe 305. I've stayed quiet about some of the negative comments about this car because I openly admitted, no, I shouldn't have plastic dipped this whole freaking car from the get-go, but you guys have to understand my logic behind it. This car wasn't supposed to be getting restored. It was literally just supposed to have the motor, the trans, and the interior pulled out of it, and we were gonna scrap this freaking thing. So yes, I plastic dipped it. Dumb mistake on my fault. I admitted to that. Stop fucking talking about it. The car is going to be getting completely restored. You know, the more I think about it, those that are like super diehard. Now, I love Camaros. I love third gen Camaros. This might actually piss you off. For the record, don't get under a car when it's like that. Don't be like me. So, I don't have your normal blade for the end of this, but I do have a pruning blade. So, guess we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, kind of a pain in the ass, but got it off. So my daughter is upstairs sleeping again, so we're gonna have to wait to do the initial startup for a couple minutes for me, but you guys will see it immediately after. Now, for the record, so everybody can see, I just cut it off right there. So technically there is still a cat up inside there, so it's not your technical straight pipe, but this will definitely be a lot louder. It did have a Flowmaster on it before, so it was obviously louder than stock, but yeah, you can see how botched up the cut ended up getting. But over here, you guys can see, not sure what series this is, but it did have a Flowmaster on it. Anticipation is real right now, and honestly, I might just drop it and just start it and deal with the consequences. Now, before we start it up, I'm going to throw in the clip from last weekend when we finally got this thing started so you guys can kind of compare the two. And so honestly, I can compare the two, the difference between that Flowmaster and not having a muffler at all. Alright guys, like last week, we're going to give it a couple minutes just to kind of get some juice flowing through the system, and then we'll go ahead and give this straight pipe 305 a startup. Alright guys, completely uncut, so if I start bitching because it's not wanting to start, you guys are going to hear it. There's no seat, damn it. Come on. Whose idea was it to take the whole freaking interior out of it, see? Come on. Yep. Oh, you silly little slut. Come on. You gotta caress. You do it. I know you can. I have faith in you. You're a whore. Alright, so I did have to cut the video to let this thing build more of a freaking charge, apparently. But it is what it is. We're still gonna get it started. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Ow. Oh, yeah. Fucker. This thing's pissed. Alright. Soon to be coming take 3. Oh, idles a lot like quieter on the outside than what I thought, but it is loud as piss inside the cab.
Say what?
Moral of the story, and the video does not do it justice. What the f? Moral of the story, the video will not do justice as to how freaking loud that actually is. So if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, guys, I hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the, God, I can't talk today. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button down below and join us on our journey to 4,000 subscribers. I will catch you guys in the next one.